Castillo Sohail is a castle located in the town of Fuengirola, on the Costa del Sol in the province of Malaga, Spain. The castle was built in the 10th century by the Moors who occupied the Iberian Peninsula at the time. It was originally constructed as a defensive fortress to protect the area from invaders. The castle was built on a hill known as Cerro del Castillo, which overlooks the town of Fuengirola and the Mediterranean Sea. The castle was named after its founder, Sohail, who was a local Moorish leader. During the Reconquista, a period in which the Christian kingdoms of Spain retook territory from the Moors, the castle was conquered by the Christian armies in 1485. Following the conquest, the castle was used as a military base and a prison. In the 16th century, the castle was partly destroyed during the War of the Alpujarras, a conflict between the Spanish crown and the Muslim population of the Alpujarras region. In the 19th century, the castle was abandoned and left to deteriorate. In the 20th century, a restoration project was initiated to preserve the castle's structure and history. In 1985, the castle was declared a historical artistic monument, and in 1989 it was opened to the public as a cultural center. Today, Castillo Sohail is a popular tourist attraction and a cultural hub. The castle hosts concerts, exhibitions, and events throughout the year. Visitors can also explore the castle's interior, with views of the sea and the town, makes it a popular spot for photography and enjoying the scenery. Sohail Castle. Located at Cala Tartasos, Fuengirola. Winter opening hours, 16th September 14th June. Monday closed, except public holidays. From Tuesday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Saturdays, Sundays and holidays, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., 3:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. 24th and 31st December, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Closed on 25th and 26th December, 1st, 2nd and 6th January and in case of event. Summer opening hours, 15th June 15th September. Monday closed, except public holidays. From Tuesday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Saturdays, Sundays and holidays, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., 6:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. If you enjoy these videos, please consider liking and subscribing to stay updated with future content.